Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to do a little hair get ready with me as I get ready for work. So we're going to go from my hair being from sleep to now. And I'm going to have a lot of tips and tricks in between. Okay, so I'm just getting ready for work. I've done everything else except for my hair because I wanted you to see my hair from its natural state of waking up in the morning. It's kind of fallen from pineappling, and I don't know, I just kind of wanted to do my hair with you as I do my hair. I have no idea what I want to do to it. Have not thought about it really. I mean, as I do my makeup in the morning, I kind of think about what I want to do with my hair. Right now I have had a middle part going on. My hair has been relatively straight, so it's like, do I want to curl it? Do I want to keep the middle part? I don't know. I'm not sure. And right now I just realized that I didn't put on mascara yet, so hold on. Oh my gosh, so much better. I always put my mascara on after I put my lashes on just because I feel like it just helps them come together a little bit more. I have seen people who put their mascara on and then they put the lashes on. I don't know, that's just not my jam. That's just not what I do. And that's not what I do on my clients either. Try it. If you do it the opposite way, try what I do. Or if you do what I do, just keep on doing it. So the first thing I do after taking my hair down is I brush it from the bottom up. And I'm thinking we'll just keep the middle part. And then this is actually day 3 of my hair, and it's not looking too shabby, but I am going to do a little something to help the roots. Now you can use dry shampoo, whatever you want. If I don't have dry shampoo around, I'll use baby powder. So do what you do. So looking at the clock, I don't have too much time before I need to leave, so I want to do something that's pretty quick and easy. And right now, my hair is still relatively straight, doesn't look too bad, it's not too crazy. So I think that I'm just going to tease and re-straighten and go from there. Now I'm going to tease my hair first before I straighten it. And that might seem a little odd. You're like, well, why don't you style and then tease? Or I don't know. I don't know why. Lately I've been doing this. You tease it and then you style it, and the hair is going in the direction you want it to go. So then when you're styling it, it's all in the same direction. If you style first and then tease later, things might go wonky and things could go in crazy places. And I think you're apt to have to touch it up a little bit more. Like, oh, now that I've teased it, you can't see a curl here. Or now that I've teased it, you see a little wave here. I feel like this way, I'm gonna tease first and then I'll see what needs to be done and then I'll do it and then it'll be done. I just don't wanna do things twice, especially when I'm in a rush. Now I'm sure you'd say, oh, that's a pretty good tease, Ashley. You need to straighten it up a little bit. But one thing that I always do too is that I tease the tease. That's a shout out for you, Marissa, who I just helped her plan her 16th birthday party. And she mentioned to me that she's been watching some of my videos and she talked about teasing the tease. So I just wanted to say a little shout out, happy birthday, and tease the tease. Now, if you don't know how to tease your hair, I have classes on it. I talk about it all the time in other classes too. So I will link it so you can check it out. But if you have thin hair, I have relatively thin hair, this is something that you might want to consider doing. Even if you're doing an updo, if you tease your hair beforehand, your bobby pins have something to hang on to. It's just something I do in almost every hairstyle that I do. So if it's something you don't do, maybe it's something you want to think about incorporating. Just saying. Then I kind of just work my way through, making sure the tease isn't too crazy. And then to re-straighten my hair, I don't have to do much because my hair is pretty straight, but I'll just go through the ends and my bang area. And I like to just comb it out, split my hair up into 2 pieces and go to town. I'm also using my T3 single pass, which I love. I got it at Costco. It was already a good price and then it was on sale at Costco too. I did a class on it. If you're interested in a new flat iron, and I talk about it a little bit more. So see, I didn't do a whole lot. I didn't need to do a whole lot, but my hair is nice and teased. But this just looks so much more put together. I just took the time to straighten a few pieces and I'm good to go. Let's do the other side. And let's talk about the back pieces real quick. So say that while I was sleeping, this got a little crinkly with the rubber band or something like that. I would just take the few top pieces and just really quickly run the flat iron through it. And that's that. I'm going to spray it with hairspray. I hope this has been helpful and I hope you've learned a little thing or two through this little hair get ready with me. And before you go teasing your hair and straightening your hair, please do make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.